Before installing your deck, you'll need to build the frame for the decking boards to sit on. In this case, our frame is ready to go. But we do have a detailed video showing you how to create a frame that you can find on our installations video page or YouTube channel. Once you have your frame built, double check that you have the right number of deck boards and fitters and fixtures. The last thing you want is to get halfway through building your deck and realising that you don't have enough boards or screws to finish it. Today, we are using CONCEALoc TOPLoc screws to secure the outer edges and CONCEALoc hidden fasteners to secure the main deck boards in place. Our CONCEALoc screws can be used with any of our groove boards and will be almost undetectable when the deck is finished. To build your deck, start by securing the first board to the frame. To do this, you'll need to pre-drill 4mm holes 25mm from the edge of the board. Then, use your colour matched TOPLoc screws to secure the outer edge. Next, position a CONCEALoc fastener into the grooved edge of your first board and make sure that the screw holes are lined up with the centre of the supporting joist. Using an impact driver, drive a screw into the frame at a 45-degree angle to secure the CONCEALoc fastener in place. Once this clip is securely in place, your first board is complete. To build the rest of the deck, slot the next board onto the other side of the CONCEALoc fastener. This is easier to do if you slightly raise the outer edge of the board as you slide it into place. As you're positioning the deck boards, be sure to check that you've left appropriate space between them. There should be a gap of 3 to 5mm between each board. This allows each board enough room to expand or contract within certain weather conditions, and also keeps your TimberTech deck within its warranty. Continue to add your next set of CONCEALoc fasteners and repeat this process until every board is in place. For the last board, secure the outer edge using TOPLoc screws like we did with the first board. Once the main body of your deck is finished, you can focus on adding a fascia board to give your deck a polished look. To do this, pre-drill and countersink drill holes at each end of your fascia board 2 inches from the top and bottom. Align your fascia against your deck frame and begin to screw your colour matched TOPLoc screws at one end. Do not completely torque down the screw, as this will restrict movement and potential expansion of the board in the future. Drill screws into the rest of your fascia board, working right to left or left to right to ensure flatness.